All right, like, thank you for tuning in the video today. Some of you have asked, how's this thing pull? Got the 2024 Denali Ultimate hooked up to a 43-foot toy hauler. And I need to go fill up the generator fuel tank on the camper. All right, let's fix and pull out. Walk around and do a final check. And as y'all can see, this trailer has the Duramax disc brake kit on it. And then I'll show you on my bed setup real quick. I'm running the Reese Goose Box. I think it's 3rd gen. The Gen 5, not the Gen 5, the Gen Y 5-inch offset. You can see it goes in the factory puck system. Extra fuel tank, Retrax EQ. Everything's good there. Hitch is latched and pinned. Chains are on. All right, let's hop in the truck. All right. So, look there. Got tires aired up where I want them. What's really nice about the GM that I like, that stays up right there. Those are my trailer tire pressures. And so anyway, we got it in tow haul. Got the exhaust brake on. And I'm gonna get pulled out of the driveway and get on the highway, and then I'll light the camera back up. Alright, so pulling out on the highway here. Just want to kind of show y'all how smooth this truck shifts. There's no performance chip on this truck. It is stock. And my speedometer is about 5 off. Got about half throttle. The shifting is just very smooth compared to my other trucks. And I mean, it's very effortless. I mean, one hand on the wheel. Over the right lane. Oh yeah, and when you put your blinker on, one of the things nice about the GMs is, let me show you all that real quick. Gives you a side view of the truck, which is really nice. Gets that blind spot. Like I said, tire pressures are right there. And we're at 71 on the speedometer, but you know, I'm running 37's. So if you look at my ways, you can see we're right at 74. And I mean, this thing just drives like a car towing this. Very effortless. Transmission temp, running about 142. And then also, guys, I've got another video out with the Duramax disc brakes on this truck. I mean, on the camper. And the camper stops the truck. I mean, the stopping distance is hardly any different towing versus not towing. So I definitely recommend that. I'll put a link to the video of that Duramax trailer brake upgrade. But yeah, we're just trucking along here. 144 degrees on the transmission. This definitely runs cooler than the other trucks. My other truck's transmission ran 220, 225 when towing. This one generally, I think about 170 is about the highest that I've seen it. I mean, you can see right there in the mirror, pulling straight as an arrow. Like I said, I'm not having to give any feedback on the steering. This is with 37's on this truck. It's 91 degrees outside. Alright, so we're pulling out from the store. Nice smooth acceleration. About a quarter throttle. Not pushing it very hard. So then if you look at Waze, we're doing about 65 right there. Like I said, it just doesn't walk at all. It's very straight. This is a stock camera on the back of the RV. You can see how good the quality is even at nighttime. All right, I want to thank y'all for watching the video today. Just kind of want to show you towing with the GMC. It shifts really good. It drives like a car. I mean, it's just straight down the road. You know, the GMCs do have adaptive steering. And so anyway, I've just been very happy with this truck, with the offset that's in the bed, the goose box, and the D-Max trailer brakes. All that just makes the towing great. And then also my LED light strip video, if you saw, put the LED strips on the back, you know, somebody need to move over, somebody can see. So anyway, if the video helped you any, please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.